welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today's video is quite exciting for me to shoot and produce this whole video. As by the title you can already say this is basically a recreation sort of a video where I am going to get a piece of fabric and make something exactly the same of whatever I saw, and I'm going to show you guys the procedure and how I went about it. So in today's episode I'm going to recreate this beautiful denim jacket from H&M. So basically this reference is from an Instagram channel called Style Me Up with Sakshi. So basically she does SMU in seconds, which is like styling in seconds, in a minute basically. I've seen this jacket in one of her episodes and I pretty much loved it and I really wanted to get my hands onto it, and I found out that piece is not actually available in anywhere basically. I found one of the lookalike from H&M itself, but the stitching and a lot of things are different from this piece to this piece, so I thought why not recreate it all by myself. So that's what I did. So without any further ado, let's begin the video. Basically full-on budget recreation. So if you have any ideas, if you want me to do let me know in the comments, and also follow me on my Instagram so that we can chat, and you can also tell me your ideas of recreation in my Instagram as well. So for today's recreation, all I need is a good black denim fabric, which I got it from FD Khan & Co, which is in Abbots, Hyderabad. So I've got 2 meters of this denim fabric, and which retails for 540 per meter. So it was around 1080 for fabric. After fabric, I needed pattern. So for pattern, I chose this shirt dress from Forever 21, which I had earlier in my wardrobe. So this is a long shirt dress. The fitting and everything is really nice. So I took this one. I really wanted something like this. So this has apple cut and all of that. Just the pockets are in there. And the denim jacket which I saw in H&M, that was a drop shoulder, but I didn't really wanted a drop shoulder one. So I thought this one is going to be perfect fit. So this is the pattern I'm gonna use. And after the pattern, we need a sewing machine and few threads, which I already have at my place. If you want, you can buy threads which are going to cost around 5 rupees per thread, and 1 thread would be good enough. So without any further ado, let's begin.
Step 1. Wear something comfortable, because you're gonna work on it the whole day mostly. Step 2. Have some good food before you start for a long tiring day, or maybe not. Step 3. Check with the size of your reference shirt dress, and here it got a little tighter on my hip area, so I need to add 2 inches and I'll be good to go. Step 4. Write down all the patterns and changes you need to cut or do so that you won't miss out on any. For example, here I wanted pockets, so I write them on so I won't forget. There's no step 5, we directly start working. Here I have some supplies like pearl pins, chalk, some scales, basically just for aesthetics by the way, and some fabric of course. Now I'm going to trace all the patterns on my denim fabric. If you want to know how to trace patterns from existing clothing piece, let me know, I'll make a separate video on that. Here I have traced all the patterns on my denim fabric. I'm going to write down what all patterns I have here and how many of them, so that it'll be easy for you. Then cut everything out, and do not forget to cut things on fold which are supposed to. I've also cut 4 squares for pockets and its flap. And the best thing I like to do is do the checklist and we're all set. Then first I like to do is pinning things together. That will make your work easy when you go for stitching. Always pin fabrics face to face and stitch the same way. That's the basic rule. That's how it looks after stitching, and I have done 2 stitches side to side for that denim wala look. Then I've stitched one side of the pocket too, and the other sides basically goes on front panels and stitched together. Also I've stitched 3 sides of flap, and as usual one goes on front panel, and that's how pocket looks. Here is the overview of how I pinned pockets and flap onto front panels. After pockets, I'm going to join shoulders again, place fabrics face to face and pin. With that, I've also pinned collar and collar stand, which I'm going to stitch separately. 3 sides of collar and 1 side gets stitched with collar stand. I've also pinned sleeve with cuff like a sandwich like this and stitch a rectangle on it. You'll see what I'm talking about in a moment. I'm also doing a top stitch on shoulder just for look. And this is what I was talking about earlier. And this is how I pinned collar and collar stand together. Now stitch from curve to curve, leaving one side open, as I'm showing you in the video. Now I'm adding the collar to the front and back neck panels. Voila, collar is ready. I forgot to shoot sleeve attachment to the borders, so pardon me for that. Now finally joining sides and doing hem. And we are all done. Let's do some typical YouTuber showcase now. Let's go.
I've been looking for a way out, I can't find my way now, I just need you by my side. Lately I've been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no.
I hope you like the denim jacket I made. It's sort of a shirt dress, but I really love it. It didn't come exactly like 100% because I didn't want it to do it 100%, but I made it somewhat like 80% or to 90%ish, and I'm pretty happy how it turned it to be. So if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe and all that good stuff. If you happen to recreate using these steps, then please do share on Instagram and don't forget to tag me. And from next video onwards, I am trying to do shoutouts to my fans. So do comment below whatever you like and what you like about my channel. And I'm going to pick one comment. I'm going to give a shout out to them in my next video. And this is going to continue for all the videos that are coming your way. Also, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell icon so that you get updated whenever I upload a new video. And follow me on my Instagram to get updates on fashion, styling and everything that I personally love. With that, I'm going to end this video right here. I hope you guys loved it. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, lots of love. Bye.